Hello friends, welcome back to another exciting video. Today, we are going to talk about one of the most talked about technology companies in the world, NVIDIA. Over the past few years, this company has delivered extraordinary returns to investors and has become one of the biggest winners of the artificial intelligence revolution. But the big question is, does NVIDIA still have room to grow, or has most of its growth already happened? In this video, we will discuss NVIDIA's business model, financial performance, role in the AI industry, future opportunities, and the risks investors should keep in mind. Friends, NVIDIA started as a company focused primarily on graphics processing units, or GPUs, designed for gaming. For many years, gamers were the company's biggest customers. However, over time, NVIDIA transformed itself into much more than a gaming company. Today, its technology powers artificial intelligence systems, data centers, robotics, autonomous vehicles, scientific research, and some of the world's most powerful supercomputers. Whenever people talk about AI, they often focus on chatbots, image generators, and other AI-powered tools. What many people don't realize is that all these AI systems require enormous computing power to operate. This is where NVIDIA comes in. The company's GPUs are widely used to train and run advanced AI models. As technology companies invest billions of dollars into AI infrastructure, NVIDIA has become one of the biggest beneficiaries of this trend. One of the most impressive aspects of NVIDIA is its revenue growth. In recent years, the company's data center business has become its largest source of income. While gaming remains an important part of the business, AI-related demand has transformed NVIDIA into a completely different company. Revenue and profits have increased dramatically, making it one of the most valuable technology companies in the world. When evaluating any stock, investors should ask an important question: what gives this company a competitive advantage? In NVIDIA's case, the answer is not just its hardware but also its software ecosystem. Years ago, NVIDIA developed a platform called CUDA, which allows developers to build applications specifically optimized for NVIDIA chips. This ecosystem creates a powerful advantage because once companies and developers become deeply integrated into it, switching to another platform becomes more difficult. Another reason investors are excited about NVIDIA is the future growth potential of artificial intelligence. AI adoption is still in its early stages. Industries such as healthcare, finance, manufacturing, education, transportation, and entertainment are increasingly adopting AI technologies. As more organizations invest in AI solutions, demand for advanced computing infrastructure could continue to rise, potentially benefiting NVIDIA for many years. However, no investment is without risk. One of the biggest concerns surrounding NVIDIA is valuation. High-growth companies often trade at premium valuations because investors expect strong future performance. When expectations become extremely high, even a small disappointment can lead to significant stock price declines. This means that investors should not buy a stock simply because it has performed well in the past. Competition is another important factor to consider. Many large technology companies are developing their own AI chips and computing solutions. While NVIDIA currently enjoys a strong leadership position, future technological advancements from competitors could challenge its dominance. Investors should always monitor industry trends and competitive developments. Despite these risks, many analysts believe that NVIDIA remains one of the most important companies in the AI ecosystem. The company continues to invest heavily in research and development, introducing new generations of powerful chips designed specifically for artificial intelligence workloads. If AI adoption continues to accelerate globally, NVIDIA could remain a major beneficiary of this trend. For long-term investors, the key question is whether artificial intelligence will become as transformative as many experts predict. If AI becomes deeply integrated into nearly every aspect of business and daily life, companies providing the underlying infrastructure could experience tremendous growth. NVIDIA is currently one of the leading players in that infrastructure market. At the same time, successful investing requires patience and discipline. Investors should avoid making decisions based purely on excitement or fear of missing out. Instead, they should focus on understanding the company's business model, growth prospects, competitive advantages, and risks. A great company does not always mean a great investment at every price. Looking ahead, NVIDIA's future will likely depend on its ability to maintain technological leadership and continue meeting the growing demand for AI computing power. If the company successfully executes its strategy, it could remain one of the most influential technology companies of the next decade. On the other hand, slowing AI growth, increasing competition, or economic challenges could create periods of volatility for the stock. In conclusion, NVIDIA is no longer just a graphics card company. It has become one of the central players in the global AI revolution. As artificial intelligence continues to reshape industries around the world, NVIDIA's products and technologies may play a crucial role in enabling that transformation. For many investors, owning NVIDIA is not simply investing in a company, it is investing in the future of artificial intelligence itself. So, what do you think about NVIDIA stock? Do you believe it still has significant upside potential, or do you think most of the growth has already been achieved? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more stock market and investing content. Disclaimer: this video is for educational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Always conduct your own research before making any investment decisions.